Hey guys, how's it going? Swayze is here. Hope everyone's well. Sunday, the 6th of October 2024. It's nearly 1:30 in the afternoon here in the United Kingdom. And I thought I'd do a quick follow-up on Rivian. Rivian Automotive Incorporated closed on the Nasdaq Friday just gone, $10.44. It was down it was minus 3.15% down with volume of 76.717 million. I've been tracking Rivian very closely for some time. I made the prediction from the 25th of August when price was just under $14 a share. That price would indeed retest this lower level. I made the prediction and price retested intraday Friday just gone at about, let's have a quick look, let's try and be accurate, $9.81. So it's price tested the lower lows with absolute precision to my channel idea where I highlighted something called market structure, lower market structure, the trend, the macro trend, how price is moving, reversal patterns. Look guys, this is my 5th video now, my 5th podcast on Rivian. I'll put the links to the description to my other videos in the description box. Alright guys, and also this is our TriFusionAI Market Report that we published August 26, which is a collaboration with my buddy Bob Smith. Shout out to Bob Smith. We're in beta testing 9.0 version now of our insightful stock mastery, harnessing the amazing capabilities of artificial intelligence, and we've called it TriFusionAI. Just a quick one, guys. There's no investment advice. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please read the description. Links to our disclaimers will be in the description box of the video. So guys, right, I've been sounding the alarm on Rivian since August 25th. I've charted it earlier than that. I noticed the stock first was being ramped by brokerages and spread bet companies in the UK late June. Charted it, called resistance out. For the past 4.5, nearly 5 years now, I have been tracking stocks predominantly in the FTSE and some American stocks, but predominantly the FTSE. Past 3 months, I've decided to up my game and start knocking out content of American stocks that are moving in the Nasdaq and the New York Stock Exchange. I'm really enjoying it and getting I've had some phenomenal calls, phenomenal winners already. And Rivian is a winner because I called it at $14 and now it went sub $10. 7 weeks later or whatever it is. So that's a successful call. By the way, for the record, I'm not in any positions. I'm not in any shorts, any longs. Neither of any of my companies. Neither is Bob or any of Bob's companies. We're not trying to manipulate to empower ourselves, should I say. We're not trying to manipulate the share price to enrich ourselves because we're not in the moves. We're seeing whether or not we can call the markets right, utilizing our own unique systems of technical analysis, and now obviously our methodologies with fundamentals, technicals, and financials. And it's been this has been a successful prediction. You got to be careful of strangers bearing gifts, right? Ramping stocks at key levels, guys, right? At key levels when there's active reversal patterns. And I've like I say, I've called this within an inch of its life. Look, this is how I see it. We're looking at the daily chart, right? Is Rivian going to find a support, right? Okay, is Rivian going to carry on selling off? There's a dangerously low level at the bottom of that asymmetrical descending triangle. A dangerously low level of under $7 a share, $6.36 at that particular juncture. There's no guarantees that I've drawn this idea, right, of a possibility that price may use this structure of this ascending channel idea to test and break out of this 2-year macro downtrend that it's been in. The fundamentals match the charts, guys, right? The market makers, right, want to take it down lower. It's what they've been doing. We had the Volkswagen news. It gapped up. It started gapping up. I can only imagine the amount of people that bought in. The market is now punishing those buyers that stayed in. At these levels recently, from like summer of this year, guys, right? The market is now punishing those market orders, right? Those buy-ins. That's the way the market moves. It's above, its price is below all the key EMAs. There's an active head and shoulders reversal pattern. I've intricately covered it in my 4 other podcasts that I've done since August 25th, should I say, sorry. Look, you see this level here. This is the idea that I drew August 25th through my system of retroactive back testing with forward channel projection methodology. Right? Will the market use this virtual structure to do it? It needs to do a trend reversal. Look, guys, every time price with Rivian has encountered this key level of resistance on the chart for the past couple of years, since it gapped down from significant higher highs, that it's been using pretty much since summer of 2022 to navigate, to move in these virtual structures. Price has not liked it, right? We can see, we zoom out, look at price action. I've been covering this now in detail, guys, but it's important that we carry on covering it, right? Because it's a critical level. I charted it out. I sounded the alarm. I did the tweets. I'm not trying to be a smart aleck. I'm not trying to say I know better than everybody else. Well, actually, I do know better than everybody else, because 95% of people, unfortunately, guys, can't read the market. So I don't mean to be arrogant. It's just a fact of statement. And many so-called experts do not use or employ a methodical, proven system of technical analysis to assist them. You know, it blows me away, guys, because the market makers invest in billions of dollars in technical analysis to read the charts and to make their predictions, because an entry or an exit is a competitive sport, right? Entering the market is competitive. Why? Because you are gambling that your transaction is correct against thousands and thousands of other retail investors, hedge funds, hedge fund traders, right? Market makers, brokers, right? People that are doing puts or calls, right? Options traders, right? Welcome to the choppy seas of the markets. So you're not just randomly buying, you are literally in a competitive sport with multiple other actors, some of them bad, some of them good, right? This is the game of the markets. Hopefully what we're going to see with Rivian, guys, when the market bell opens tomorrow on the Nasdaq, right? Hopefully we're going to see support begin to solidify and price start moving up to retest these EMAs and these levels that have proven to be absolutely bang on correct, that I've been preaching about now for some time. There is of course the danger that the market makers will push it down and retest $6.36 or $6.50 or $6.52 or whatever that level is, moving down and moving up on that sliding scale of that lower level support of that triangle level, right? That is another key level. There is a lot of open market structure below. Price has utilized market structure from the 25th when we were literally on a Sunday in the 25th, right? I think, and it was just over $14 a share. Boom. I've been calling this out. Price hit it, reacted. Everything I've made, everything publicly and available for free on my Substack. I wrote an article on Substack. In fact, it was my first ever Substack article I wrote, guys. Please give us a follow, share, and support on Substack. I'll leave all the links. 28th of August, I dropped this report on Substack. Will Rivian Automotive Incorporated share price climb or fall? There's the chart, guys. There's the chart. I'm not trying to be I told you so. But, you know, this is why technical analysis, fundamentals, and intricate financials fused together is pretty much the only way anybody should be navigating the markets when they're using their hard-earned cash. Why? It reveals what's going on under the hood and away from the hype and the ramp and the bias reports that mainstream media can be employed to knock out for these companies. What we want to see is we want to see relative objectivity, right? And we want to see financials, we want to see liquidity ratios, we want to see cash burn analysis, we want to see what kind of debt the company's operating under, and the profiles, right? We want to see the profiles, the financial profiles, and then we want to see the technicals. We want to see everything so we can make the best decisions we possibly can, guys, as retail investors. I'll post my charts. I'll post the links to the Substack, the TriFusionAI Report. I've made everything available for free. I'm not in the move, right? This is simply whether or not we can call the markets employing artificial intelligence and our methodical, proven systems of TA, financials, and we even look at things like, sentiment. We're analysing everything in an expedient, professional manner, guys. You have to have your act together when you're about to jump into the markets, guys. This is not a game. This is not a game. This is real life, real people, real money, there's real things at stake. Don't over leverage, guys. Always seek the advice of professional, accredited financial professionals, should I say, when you're navigating the markets. Don't listen to people like me. Don't listen to so-called quote-unquote experts. If you want to use this as a start-off point, fantastic. Seek professional, accredited individuals and learn a system of technical analysis. Then you can draw your own ideas, guys. Okay, and thank you for your attention. I'm going to get off. It's already going over the time limit I wanted. Enjoy your Sunday. I'll get it uploaded. Good luck to everyone that's invested and going long or short with Rivian, right? But I personally don't take short positions. I don't believe in the morals of shorting companies. I'm interested in building companies up. I've never ever gone short on companies, and especially companies that I am reporting on with my own system. I'm not interested in shorting and taking the value and weakening companies. That's just my own perspective, and Bob is pretty much the same. Cheers, guys. Enjoy your Sunday, and I'll speak to you soon.